Dear 10th class students, by watching this video, you can solve a pair of linear equations using elimination method. The general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Both a and b should not be equals to 0. This condition is denoted mathematically as mod a plus mod b not equals to 0. And we know that the linear equation represents a line on a graph. The pair of linear equations with two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These can be solved in three methods. First one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is graphical method. Some pair of linear equations have no solution. Some have unique solution and some have infinite solutions. We discussed these things in previous video. Its name is consistency of a pair of linear equations, and we finished the substitution method in the previous video. You can watch them by clicking the description by clicking the link in the description box. Now, what are the steps in elimination method? First, equal x coefficient or y coefficient in both linear equations. Whether both are positive or both are negative, then subtract. If one is positive and other one is negative, then add. Later, find x and y. Don't worry. By solving the problem, you can understand it very well. The question: solve each of the following pair of linear equations by using elimination method. Now, the first equation is given as 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, and the second one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Here we are eliminating y. How to eliminate y? Observe the coefficients. For second equation, y coefficient is 2. So multiply first equation with 2. And in first equation, the y coefficient is 5. Multiply second equation with 5. So it is, by multiplication first equation with 2, it becomes 16x plus 10y is equal to 18. And multiplying with 5 to second equation, it becomes 15x plus 10y is equal to 20. Here y coefficients are equal and both have positive. So we subtract from first equation to second equation. Then 16x minus 15x is x, and y will be cancelled. Here 18 minus 20 becomes minus 2. So we get x is equal to minus 2. Now we substitute x value in second equation. What is second equation? 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So in place of x we write minus 2. So it becomes 3 into minus 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. That implies 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 2y is equal to 4. So 2y is equal to, when minus 6 goes right side, it becomes 4 plus 6, it is 10. 2y is equal to 10 implies y is equal to 5. So the solution is minus 2 comma 5. Now let us eliminate x in the same equations. When we try to eliminate x, just observe the coefficients. In second equation, the coefficient of x is 3. So multiply with 3 to the first equation. In first equation, the coefficient of x is 8. Multiply the second equation with 8. So it becomes 24x plus 15y is equal to 27. And the second equation becomes 24x plus 16y is equal to 32. By subtraction, x will be eliminated, and 15y minus 16y is minus y, 27 minus 32 is minus 5. So we obtain y is equal to 5. Now we substitute y value in second equation. 3x plus 2 into y value is 5 is equal to 4. So it becomes 3x is equal to 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 6. 3x is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to minus 2. The solution is minus 2 comma 5. Let us go for one more question. Solve 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now put 1 by x minus 1 as a and 1 by y minus 2 as b. By this substitution, the equations becomes 5a plus b is equal to 2. This is the first equation. And second equation becomes 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. By elimination method, we can solve these two equations and we get a is 1 by 3 and b is also 1 by 3. A means 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 is 1 by 3. So x minus 1 is 3. So x is 4. Similarly, y is 7. So the solution is 4 comma 7. Let us solve one more question. The question is solve x plus y whole by xy is equal to 2. X minus y whole by xy is equal to 6. Here whole by xy is there. So send it to each term. It becomes x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 2. So by cancellation it is 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Similarly, we get 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 6. By adding first equation and second equation, plus 1 by x and minus 1 by x will be cancelled. 1 by y plus 1 by y is 2 by y, and 2 plus 6 is 8. By reciprocating, 2 by y becomes y by 2 and 8 by 1 becomes 1 by 8. So y is equal to 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. Now substitute y is equal to 1 by 4 in first equation. So we obtain 1 by 4 plus 1 by x is equal to 2. 1 by 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So 1 by x is equal to 2 minus 4 equals to minus 2. By reciprocation, we get x is equal to minus half. So its solution is minus half comma 1 by 4. Now let us go for another question. 2 power x plus 3 power y is equal to 17, and 2 power x plus 2 minus 3 power y plus 1 is equal to 5. Put 2 power x as a and 3 power y as b. We know that 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 power x into 2 power 2. By well-known principle, a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. We use that principle to it. So it becomes 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 power x into 2 power 2. You know that 2 power 2 or 2 square is 4. So it is 4 into 2 power x. That means 4 into a, because 2 power x is we taken as a. Similarly, 3 power y plus 1 becomes 3 power y into 3. So it is 3b. So the first equation is a plus b is equal to 17 and the second equation becomes 4a minus 3b is equal to 15. By elimination method, we solve it and we get the value a as 8. A is equal to 8. A means 2 power x is equal to 8 means 2 cube. So x is equal to 3. And b is 9. B means 3 power y. 9 is 3 square. So y is equal to 2. So the solution is 3 comma 2. Dear students, practice these questions. If you have any doubts, please call me and go into the description box and check for previous videos. Thank you very much.